In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable the earthquake alert feature on your Android device. With this feature enabled, you will receive timely notifications about earthquakes happening in your area, helping you stay informed and prepared. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Safety and Emergency. Tap on it. And now you'll see an option called Earthquake Alerts. Just tap on it. All you have to do next is toggle on this switch next to Earthquake Alerts. Now that you've successfully enabled earthquake alerts on your Samsung device, you'll get an alert with the initial estimated magnitude and distance from your location if an earthquake happens. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.